Hello viewers, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. So guys, I'm in the city of Dakar. So this area is called Almadies. So as you can see, this is how it looks here. Just look at these beautiful buildings. Some other buildings are under construction, and then others are done, and then it is inhabited by people. So let me turn the camera and start walking around here. Almadies. So this is the city of Dakar, Senegal. This area is called Almadies. As you can see, I'm walking around this neighborhood. Yeah. So new how it looks here. So yan bi moo dee dem si biir. All right. So guys, just look at these beautiful buildings here. So you're not going away? Si kanam. Yeah. Dama demoon ba si palais bi.
Palais. Dakar.
Waaw foofu dama demoon foofu after gars ñu break wa soldier.
Waaw.
Soldat yi.
Waaw. Nañ la jàpp sax.
Dama break.
King Fat président bi benn hôtel bi nekk si kanam fee.
Waaw.
Foofu lay nekk.
Ah président bi fa la nekk.
Waaw rarement lay dem palais. Foofu lay nekk.
Man dama foog naa foofu la living comme foofu la dëkk.
Waaw foofu la dëkk mais fee la ëpp lu muy nekk si King Fat.
Fii mooy office bi.
Waaw si kanam tuuti. Boo léegi nga gis gendarmerie yi foofu nga xam si foofu mooy.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. It's the city of Almadies, Dakar, Senegal. So today I'll be exploring the city. I'll be walking around and then show you how it looks here. This beautiful city of Dakar. So you can see guys, this is how it looks here. Yeah, I'm just randomly walking here, exploring this city. So guys, if this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share with friends and family. It really helps a lot. Guys, the thing is, this area called Almadies, there are certain public transport that are not allowed to come to this neighborhood, because the one I take is a public transport, it's a public bus, so they stop at the gate of Almadies. They are not allowed to come inside here. So I don't know why they do that, but if any of you know it, just comment it down on the comment section. Yeah. So guys, I'll be going straight that way. Wafe. Somebody's making a joke of me, saying that I need to pay to film here, but he's just joking. So guys, these are some artworks on the street. Yeah, baskets. Guys, I bring you raw content out here. I want you to feel the vibe. So guys, I heard that this area is one of the most expensive areas in Dakar, Senegal. As we know that Dakar is one of the most expensive cities to live in Africa, but there are some regions in Dakar which are more pricier than others, which are more expensive than others. So they say this area is so expensive to live in.